Hey everybody, so today we're going to be unboxing the 1-key 3/4 inch Milwaukee impact wrench. It's an M18 model. So please stick around, check out the video. We're going to be doing specs and weights and measurements. And I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, so this is the 2864-20 1-key capable custom track manage up to 1500 foot-pounds nut busting torque, 3/4 inch impact wrench with the hog ring. Gives all the information on the side for the 1-key, set power and speed, create and save profiles, access and manage profiles, identify nearby devices, view last known location, alert when found, prevent theft and tampering, manage guest access, secure remotely, tool record keeping, save receipts, see utilization. On the back, it shows maximum power for demanding applications, 1500 foot-pounds. There's a gray and a yellow. Looks like the DeWalt is the yellow. Milwaukee competitor 1 and 2. Milwaukee's 8.6 inches by 8. DeWalt would be, I'd assume, because it's yellow, 8.8. The gray is 9 inches in front to back. Unmatched control over torque, target torque, under torque. Customized track and manage. Red Link power stick brushless motor, Red Link plus intelligence, red lithium battery packs. The specifications on the side are, get the light a little closer. Okay. Anvil type, 3/4 square friction ring with through hole. Fastening torque, 1200 foot-pounds. Nut busting torque, 1500 foot-pounds. Drive control is a 4-mode, customizable. RPM, 0 to 1800 RPMs or revolutions per minute. IPM is 0 to 2400 IPM or impacts per minute. Length is 8.6 inches and weight is 6.3 pounds. Whoa, I caught you guys. Sorry about that. Gotta tighten this back up. Alright. Let's get it unboxed and opened. Again, this is the 3/4 inch 1-key model, which is the M18, which is 2864-20. Instruction booklet shows information for 2862-20, 2863-20, and 2864-20. Which I believe I purchased all 4 of them. Here is the pamphlet, M18 M12 pamphlet, as well as an entry to win this kit and or a t-shirt. Box is empty. Get this bag. All the 1-key tools I've noticed come with this little tag on them. Download the 1-key app and log in. Stop. This tool requires activation to track and secure. It does not come with a belt clip or anything like that. I'm going to just cut this tag off. Put that up here. Or it falls on me. Cut the tag off. 2/6 2862, 2683, 2684, 2683. I have to do an unboxing on. That will be the next video. So 2682, I'm not really sure what model that is. I have to look that up. Let's look up real quick. It's pretty hefty. Two 682-20. Oh, wrong one. Oops. It's 2862. $2862 is also $299. Okay, so the 2862-20 is the half-inch model, which the 2863 is the one I purchased. This is the 2864. So the 2862 is the pin detent model, which looks like that. It has the little ball bearing in it. I got only the hog ring models, which is the 3/4 and the 1/2 inch. So the 3/4 hog ring is the 2864-20, and I have to do an unboxing on the 2863-20, which is the 1/2 inch hog ring model. Alright, so move the box out of the way. Let's bring the scale in here. Lay this down real quick. Turn the scale on. Okay. It weighs 6 pounds, 4.4 ounces. I'm sorry, 6 pounds, 4.4 ounces without a battery. We grab 5.0. I technically a free 5.0 with it. It's right here. I'll put that in the video. Might as well. Here is a fully charged 5. Put the 5 on here. It is now 7 pounds, 14.2 ounces. You can grab a couple different batteries. You can grab a compact 3, grab an 8, and a 6. And we'll just weigh it with all these different batteries. Put this over here. 6, 8, compact 3, and just because we can, we'll also weigh it with a 12. Alright, so 7 pounds, 14.2 ounces with a 5. It was pretty torquey. Okay, so let's weigh it with the 3, compact 3. 7 pounds, 10 ounces exactly. With a 3, compact 3. Wait, with a 5 again, just to show you guys. 5 at 7 pounds, 14.2 ounces. Okay, with a 6, high output, it is 8 pounds, 11.1 ounces. And with an 8, high output, it is 8 pounds, 10.9 ounces. And with this big 12, which you would never, ever probably use it with a 12, but it's 9 pounds, 11.3 ounces with a 12. That's what it looks like with a 12. More than likely, you're going to use it with what, you know, the free battery it came with, which is the XC5. It's not a high output. It's got the 4-mode control. Move the scale out the way. Right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Push it to the 5th. It turns the Bluetooth light on. Ooh, keep knocking the camera over today. I'm sorry, guys. So, has a nice LED light at the bottom. Looks like a cob light to me. It is pretty hefty on its own. You can feel it's got some nice weight to it. It does look like you can add the clips if you wanted to. This it did come with this free 5. A bunch of these tools we'll be doing unboxings on came with free 5s. The I didn't put it in the video, but the 7 and 9 inch brake full size grinder, M18 grinder, came with the 8 amp hour high output. The polisher came with a free 5. I didn't put that in their videos respectively because I forgot. This 1 key 3/4 came with a 5. The 3/8 or the 1/2 inch 1 key came with a 5. The 3/8 non 1 key, because I don't think they have a 1 key for the 3/8, it came with a 5 too. That hasn't gotten here yet. But we'll also weigh these batteries real quick. So a compact 3 weighs 1 pound 5.3 ounces. 5 amp hour XC weighs 1 pound 9.6 ounces. And all of these high outputs have 21700 cells. This XC that come with it free has a 18650 cells. A 6 amp hour weighs 2 pounds 6.4 ounces. 8 amp hour weighs 2 pounds 6.4 ounces. And the 12 weighs 3 pounds 6.6 ounces. These all these tools that I'm doing these videos on will be in upcoming videos, being in use videos. I like the grip. It feels very comfortable with the 5. It kind of seems well balanced with a 5. It's got their forward reverse, has the lockout switch. And then if we bring my phone in, Milwaukee DeWalt tool apps, 1 key app. Okay, if we switch it till it's blue, three-quarter, it's connecting to the ID. It starts flashing and it's connected. You can identify the tool. So the drive control for mode 1 is set to 550 RPM, bolt removal off. Custom drive control 2 is set to 1200 RPM, bolt removal off. 3 is set to 7500, bolt removal off. And 4 is set to 7500 RPM, bolt removal 950 RPM. These are what's set to automatically. And you can change people, places, inventory. Add to inventory. Number 1. So I have all these set to number 1. When I get another set of these tools, I will change it to that. I can do a separate video on the app if you guys want. I don't want this video to be too long. It's already at 15 minutes. But it's a nice tool. It's very hefty, very heavy for 3/4. You can tell it's got a lot of torque. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Please check out my Amazon affiliate links. Bring everything back in view, what it came with. And check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tool affiliate links, as well as my DJI Electronics affiliate links. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and appreciate you sticking around. Peace!